Hello, I would like to introduce another my design, and I will start from the pocket clip. So my intention is that pocket clip should be milled from titanium, and it is reversible, but as you can see on that side we do not have any additional filler tabs, and pocket clip attached by big screw from the inside, so that side of the pocket clip is clear without any additional screws. Next one, where I want to put your attention, it is full length backspacer. It is rounded, and also it has a hidden paracord liner loop. Also it has some groove for the blade, and also we have here some jimping which will help you to put your finger from the pocket, or we have jimping on the pocket clip which also will help you for the better traction when you putting the knife from the pocket. So next one, it is frame lock with frame relief from the inside, and also as you can see it is skeletonized. Even frame lock have some milling for the weight reduction. Knife should be very strong because of several points of connection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also you can notice the size of the screws. It is big, so it should be Torx T8. Next is ergonomics. So this one is main hand grip, and also because of big choil we can use that grip, and big thumb can land on that section of the blade or on that section of the blade. Both sections include jimping, or like that. Also there is good access for the frame lock, and during the folding the knife it is secure because that part is not sharp and it's landing right on your nail. Knife has few opening methods. It's by thumb stab or general one, or by front flipper, by any finger. Also the main feature and idea of that knife, so this flipper is removable. I will show you what I mean. So we can remove the flipper and we still have some functional knife which can be opened by thumb stud, and it will look like that. Or you can move that flipper from the front to the back, like so. So now we have back flipper, and here we have just small hole with thread for the attachment. Okay, I will show you further disassembly of the knife because it is important. So this is way how we can flip the pocket clip on that side. Also please notice that knife include multi-row bearings. Also please put your attention on the stainless steel insert for the frame, and over travel here. Full length backspacer. Thank you.